This is number 2 of the winter workshop with the Land Canadian Adventure. You got it right? I got it right this time. And here are the, it's freezing out. It's minus 40. This guy, we call him Flash. You having a good time so far? And
fun.
Is this your sister? What the heck do you have on? What happened to you? Then we have Tim Foley here, a buddy of mine, and he has brought his Esker tent. We put a snow trucker tent up. We're doing the comparison. A lot of fun. There's people staying over, so we're keeping the 12 by 12 up. We're going to put the stove in, and look at the excitement. Look at the enthusiasm. Woo! Okay, so we got the tent set up. Now we're doing stick stoves, and we're doing the thing we did last time where they have to get a noodle. Spaghetti noodle boiled soft enough that they can tie it into a knot, and if they do, then they win the prize. And but this is basically just get fire started. How to get fire going. You can use any of that fire starter. Yeah, we have natural fire starter. We got a wasp nest we found. We got birch bark, and I got some stuff SOL fire starter as well. Little cubes. You know those cubes that you burn and burn forever. Isn't that cool? What is that?
This is a wasp nest. Luckily no one had to get stung for it.
Okay, Noah is going to light the wasp nest to see if it works.
Birch bark, help yourself. The thinner you split it, the better it catches a flame. Let's see how this goes. Step 1, get the match lit. There we go.
Oh, you got the fire seal? Yeah.
Looking pretty good.
Wow, that works. That works. Oh, flames loose! It's hilarious. So wasp nest, that really works well as a fire starter. Awesome. Put the match to that, Noah, and see what happens. Put it beside your beard.
You're gonna hold it though?
Oh no.
In that case, sure.
We may have a winner. We're gonna check it out.
This is the first time.
That's a knot.
That's a knot?
Yeah.
That counts.
Oh, I win!
The winners! Look at this. Look what happened.
Their fire's dead.
Boys, you guys are way ahead of the game. You're all like, gloating and showing your pride. And what happened?
Can't tie a knot in spaghetti, Kevin. That's what happened.
You would wait way too early on your knot tying.
I agree.
Your pasta was not soft enough.
Yeah.
So Mike from Durham Outdoor Club, if you're watching, failed miserably. All right, Anastasia, what happened?
I tied the noodle in a knot.
And it worked?
It worked. Yeah, no, and it didn't break. This one didn't break.
So you're in second. Let me go over to these guys. Scott, how you doing?
Well, Jason's about to tie a knot since I can't, apparently. So.
I can use a little more.
Oh, now you're cautious now.
I'm being a little cautious. Can't rush perfection.
And here's the thing, we're just about before lunch and everybody's getting hungry. We're gonna have a break, but we have to wait for these guys to boil their noodle. And they did start off with a woohoo, we're gonna be done in seconds, and not so much now. Okay, Jason's gonna do it. Yay! Woo!
All right.
Knot number 4.
Can we go now?